welcome. This evening we're gathered together for a very special and joyous occasion, and that is to witness and bless the journey of Juan Carlos and Lilia in marriage. Marriage is a beautiful relationship between two people. It's a union founded on love. I can take your bouquet, and then I'll have the two of you thank each other, joining both of each other's hands. And I ask you to join hands as a symbol of the union that you're making here tonight. And I want you to think about the hands that you're holding, because these are the hands of your very best friend holding your hands on your wedding day, promising to love you and work with you as you build your future together. These are the hands that will give you strength when you need strength, tenderness when you need tenderness, and love when you need love. These are the hands that will also hold all of whom you love. And these are the hands that through your lifetime together will wipe tears of sorrow from your eyes, but hopefully many, many more tears of joy. And these are the hands that years from now will still be searching for your hands, still seeking the love, encouragement, and support that each of you will give to one another. All of these things about you all the way to Las Vegas, all ready to say your marriage vows to one another. And it's important to understand that the vows that you're about to make need to be made with a great deal of consideration and respect, and I'm sure the two of you realize this. With that thought in mind, Juan Carlos, I have a question for you. Do you take Lilia to be your wife, to live together in marriage, to love her, comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful only to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Then please repeat after me. I, Juan Carlos, take you, Lilia,
I, Juan Carlos, take Lilia
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold
to have the home,
from this day forward.
and to pay for.
I promise to be
I promise to be
your true and loyal husband,
true and loyal husband,
and to love and honor you always.
love and honor always.
I do this because
Do this because
I love you today,
I love you today,
I will love you tomorrow,
I love you tomorrow,
and I will love you forever.
I love you forever.
Lily, are you ready to say your marriage vows? Then I also have a question. Do you take Juan Carlos to be your husband, to live together in marriage, to love him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful only to him as long as you both shall live? Then please repeat after me. I, Lilia, take you, Juan Carlos, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward. I promise to be your true and loyal wife, and to love and honor you always. I do this because I love you today, I will love you tomorrow, and I will love you forever. Perfect. And now if you can each carefully hold one another's wedding rings for a moment, we'll talk about the wedding rings. Throughout time, the wedding ring has been a symbol of unending love, because like time, your rings have no beginning and no end. They're a circle, the emblem of eternity. They're also made of metals that are least likely to tarnish. These things symbolize the pledges that you just finished making to one another. But above all else, your wedding rings will now be an outward and visible sign, signifying to all the uniting of this man and this woman in marriage. Juan Carlos, please place Lilia's ring on her finger. Hold it there and repeat after me. Lilia, I give you this ring
Lilia, I give you this ring,
as a symbol of my love
symbol of my love,
and as a reminder that I have chosen you to be the one to share my life. Go ahead and slide it all the way up. Lilia, please place Juan Carlos' ring on his finger. Hold it there and repeat after me. Juan Carlos, I give you this ring
Juan Carlos, I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love
as a symbol of my love
And as a reminder that I have chosen you to be the one to share my life. Go ahead and slide it all the way up. I'll give you your beautiful bouquet back, and I'll have the two of you facing me the way we started. Juan Carlos and Lilia, in just a moment I'm going to pronounce you husband and wife. Before I do that, I'd like to say a couple brief things about marriage. They may be brief, but they're good things to keep in mind. Marriage is being in love for the rest of your life. It's love walking hand in hand with your very best friend. It's thinking of new things to do together. It's laughing about the silly things in life with care and tenderness. It's trusting each other even though from time to time you may be very far apart. It's the realization there's no one else in the world you'd rather be with. Certainly no one else you'd rather be married to. It's growing old together, but most of all, marriage is being in love for the rest of your life. Juan Carlos and Lilia, you've said your marriage vows to one another, witnessed by God and those of us here today. You've sealed those vows with the giving and the receiving of the wedding rings. So now it's my very great honor to pronounce you husband and wife, and Juan Carlos, you may kiss your beautiful bride. Congratulations, Juan Carlos and Lilia, you are married.
Thank you very much.